Wow, wow, what a day. Finished our sauerkraut. This is February 1st. Forgot about it, but fortunately it was cool enough out in the house. And we had a little left over from that cabbage that we used. And I mixed some sauerkraut and apple cider vinegar with some gourd that I was given. Then we did another batch, cut up some of that gourd and put some pea sweetness in it. Sort of like a quick, thick honey with a bit of lemon. And we'll let that set along with some tea that I put in there. And this other batch over here, of course, is full of kombucha. Yeah, that was King's ideas back there. So, this is my Sauerkraut and Friends. Hope you enjoyed it. I will. Thanks for watching PB Ram.